In this video, we are going to see how we can turn on or turn off the automatic hyperlinks in Google Docs. So let's say that we have a link which is referring to some external website. So as soon as you click on this, you will visit the website. So basically it inserts a link which needs to be followed as click on it. So if you don't want to insert any hyperlink and you just want to refer to a website directly, let's say that if I mention here www.google.com, as soon as I hit enter, it is automatically converted into a hyperlink. So if you want to turn this off, just go to the tools menu and click on the preferences. And if you don't want to identify this as a link, you just turn this option off, that is automatically detect links. Turn this off, click OK. And after that, when you type something, it will not be identified as a link or converted into a link automatically. And that is how it works. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. And I will see you in the next one.